high protein, no bake energy balls. Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I make some high protein, no bake energy balls. Minimal ingredients needed. First, we're gonna start off with a protein. You can pick any protein that you would like, vanilla or chocolate, or if you have another flavor of protein. Second, we're gonna have peanut butter. You can use creamy peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter, your choice on brand and preference. The one I like to use is crunchy peanut butter. I think it tastes the best. And then you're gonna also have flaxseed. I'm gonna go over how much you're gonna use for each one. And then you're gonna need 2 ripe bananas. That's all you're gonna need. We're gonna put everything into the bowl, mix it all up. We're gonna make it into round little balls. You can make them into brownie squares if you like as well. We're gonna put them in the fridge for 2 hours and then they'll be ready to eat. Step 1, 2 ripe bananas. Just gonna open those up. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Next, simply gonna use the completely half of this jar, and we're gonna put it all into there. So far, guys, we got the 2 ripe bananas, the 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, and we're going half a jar of peanut butter. You could use any other butter, almond butter, sunflower butter, peanut butter, or any one that you prefer. I'm just gonna add in the protein. I'm using a chocolate protein. This is a rebuild strength. This is a whey and a casein protein, but again, you can use a vegan protein, a soy protein, rice protein, pea protein, whatever you wanna use. You have the flexibility to do that. I'm actually gonna add 2.5. With all of the ingredients inside of the bowl, we're just gonna simply mix it up. Just to ensure that all of the banana is flattened and squished and mushed up properly, I'm gonna use a fork just to make sure that's done as well. There you have it, guys. This is what it's gonna look like when you mix it all up in your bowl. The next step is we're simply going to put it in any type of container. We're gonna roll it up into small little squares, triangles, balls, whatever you wanna have fun with it. You could even put it onto a baking sheet and maybe make little shapes out of it if you have your children with you. But I'm just gonna make them into small little tiny energy balls, and then I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna then put them in the fridge for 2 hours, and that gives them enough time to bind and come together. There you have it, all done. They're all in this. I'm gonna cover it with this blue lid, and I'm simply gonna put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now here's the test.
What's this, Daddy?
Take a bite. Tell me if you like it. Okay.
I like it.
Like it?